So what do you think what it is all about? What this document is? Is it a instant conversation on chat, or we can say chat?
Hey there, welcome to FrenchNYou, your go-to place for affordable live online French courses. Whether you are a beginner or preparing for DELF or DELF exam, we have got you covered. Join our global community of more than 25,000 learners from more than 45 different countries with 2 million plus views on YouTube. On our website, you can rate your own French level and pick the batch that suits you best. We offer multiple time slots and you get to choose two preferences at the time of registration. Every French course includes two mock DELF practice exams and a course completion certificate. Visit frenchnyou.com to explore course details, success stories, and more.
Okay, so document the if you can just read document the and question number 5 and 6 we can do. Okay, document the chat of Luca and CC. Now, moving to the question number 5 and 6, and let's go ahead to do these questions. Voila.
Survey les documents pour choisir la réponse correcte. C'est
Choose the correct response. Hmm? So, what do you think what it is all about? What this document is? Is it a instant conversation on chat, or we can say chat? Okay, it is a mail, a courrier électronique. That's a mail, or it's a commentaire sur un blog, or it's a comment on the blog. What do you think? A, B, or C?
instant conversation.
So the pronunciation will be une conversation instantanée. Instantanée is instant conversation.
Une conversation.
Conversation. Conversation.
Conversation.
Une conversation. Okay.
Une conversation.
Yeah. Now
instantané.
Next one. Question 6. Qui écrit à qui? Qui écrit à qui?
He agree.
Who is writing to whom? You understood the question, na?
Agrees writing, huh? Okay.
I hope you are constantly revising the rules and the vocabulary. Okay. So, qui écrit à qui? Who is writing to whom? How will you say that?
Lucas.
How will we frame it?
He means writing. Lucas is writing, but Lucas
To
is
whom?
writing.
So Lucas is
CC.
writing to CC, right?
CC.
So how will
yes.
we say that? We will say Luca écrit à CC.
Yes.
Luca écrit à CC.
CC.
That's how you can
Frame something.
write it. Luca écrit à CC. Okay? Vrai ou faux? And pourquoi? Now, let's try to do this. Take 2-3 minutes and read this. You have to tell true and false, and also the reason why.
First one would be true. Luca is CC song. Amy. Luca and CC are friends. First one, I think it would be true.
Okay. Pourquoi? Why?
It like from the conversation, it seems like they're
right. So we can simply say
because yes.
We can simply say il chat. They are chatting on WhatsApp and they are using tu to address each other. Okay. This is how we can frame the response. Okay. Next one.
Cici étudiait le français à Lyon. Cici is studying in means student le français à Lyon. Cici is a student in le français and Lyon. I think it's true.
Okay. Pourquoi? Why do you think so?
He was in Lyon and
So this is the explanation. Vrai. Ma classe est très sympa et l'école est fantastique. हमें ना exactly same line find करके बतानी है explanation के टाइम पे, जिसकी वजह से हमने जो यहाँ पे फिट बैठेगी. Okay. So she said, my class is très sympa. My class is very nice and the school is fantastic. Right? So that's why this answer is vrai. CC studies in the French in Lyon. Yes, she is studying in Lyon. क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन भी पूछा था, क्यों है Lyon? Are you in Lyon? तब उसने बोला था yes, my class is very nice and blah blah blah. All right. What about the next one?
Liare French étudiant dans sa classe. 13 student. As 13 student in the class.
There are 13 students in the class. What do you think? Is it true or is it false?
It is false. I think there were enough and Dooch. 3 boys.
3 boys and 9 girls, right?
9 girls. Yes.
Wait, this side. That's it. So how will we frame this? I mean, how will we write this? 4 and il y a 12 étudiants. There are 12 students, 3 boys and 9 girls. Okay. What about the fourth one?
Yes. Luca A. Stenson Amy. Not false. Yes.
Luca is, this is Luca, na? White
white one.
That's right. So Luca ने उससे पूछा कि who is your professor, what's your name, right? उसने बोला, CC ने बोला Stan, right? So Luca said, is his name Dupuis? So no, I mean, is his surname Dupuis? Is he 40 years old? Around 40 years old? This is a friend. So वो पूछ रहा है कि क्या वो उसका नाम दीपू है, क्या वो 40 years old है approximately? Because this is a friend, because he's a friend. Then he said, then CC said, yes, this is his name, this is his last name. Wait, I have a photo. I have his photo. I will have a look. So he said, c'est lui, Sim. So जो प्रोफेसर है स्टेन, ये लुइस का फ्रेंड है, सॉरी लुकास का फ्रेंड है, right? I hope you understood this now.
Yes.
Okay. So now you can tell me, Luca and Sten, so are they friends?
तो यहाँ पे sentence तो लिखना है that why they are friend means.
Which one?
Luca A. Sten Son Amy.
They are friends. That's it.
They are friends.
So Bray है या Fo है?
ये Bray.
और explanation में हम क्या बताएंगे? The exactly same line. क्योंकि लूका ने कहा था चेतनामी, he is a friend. That's it. हमें explanation अपने हिसाब से नहीं देनी है अनुप, हमें explanation देनी है exactly same line जो टेक्स्ट में लिखी थी. That's it.
Okay.
आप जब भी डेल्फ का एग्जाम देने जाओगे, whenever you will go there, तो comprehension आएगा, right? अब comprehension में से आपकी justification मांगेंगे true and false की, right? अब जब true and false की justification आपसे मांगेंगे, so they will not expect you to write the explanation from your own.
Okay.
You have to कॉपी एंड पेस्ट द एग्जैक्ट सेम लाइन जिसकी वजह से आपको लग रहा है कि ये रे है या फो है.
Okay.
Okay? 10 are thrown on. Say, रे, ufo.
Then from this one is 4.
Okay, why? Ufo.
I think he was 40 years so around.
Yes, ऐसा. हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे we for il a 40 ans environ. हम लोग exactly सेम ये वाली लाइन कॉपी कर देंगे.
Okay.
Right? Okay, now the last one. Cici
CC
envoie la photo de son professeur à Luca. It means Cici sends the photo of her professor to Luca.
Okay. And this one envoy is
Envoie.
send.
Envoie.
Envoy.
Envoie. Envoie is like to send.
It's true. Sorry. Gray.
Why? Pourquoi?
CC envoie la photo.
हाँ, बट यहाँ पे हम जस्टिफिकेशन कैसे देंगे? तो हम व्रे लिखेंगे, उसके बाद एल एक्वी शी राइट attends j'ai sa photo regarde, that's it. हम उसको इन्वर्टेड ये ब्रैकेट्स में क्लोज करेंगे, right? That's it, because that's what she write exactly. Et elle envoie la photo and she send the photo. That's it. हमें ये लिखने की जरूरत भी नहीं है, right? आप बस इतना लिख सकते हो, she write. That's it. All right then.
Okay.